So this is a 2018 KWT 680, and it is not at old, and it doesn't have that many miles. It has like 400,000 miles, but we have a cracked rim. See, it doesn't matter how much mileage you get on your truck. This can happen to any truck at any moment. If you get steel rims, you know, some trucks come from factory with steel rims. You're never gonna get these problems because the steel rims are very strong. Aluminum rims are very weak compared to those, but they're lighter, so they tend to crack like this. And this is a pretty deep crack because you can see it all the way through, see, and it goes almost across the whole rim. But this is enough for a DOT officer to pull you out of service, and they actually going to make you repair this on the spot, because they are not going to give you any type of break if they see a damage like this, because this is a steer tire, and steer tires are, you know, very important when it comes to safety.